Hey guys, it's Aidan from Everyday Tech here. So we're going to just look at the news of Samsung's new foldable phone. They just did a live unveiling recently, just showcasing the new phone that they intend to release, or the prototype of a phone that they have got. I don't know. And yeah, we're just going to look at that. But before I forget, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. You will be notified next time I have some tech news or any tech reviews. So let's get started. So Samsung did this big unveiling of the new foldable phone, or Samsung X, or whatever you want to call it, recently. As it was just the other day. And yeah, they made this big hoo-ha about, yeah, we've been working really hard. We've made this 45% thinner and this 20% stronger, and it can fold hundreds of thousands of times, and blah, 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 all of that. But it just seems one of those things that is just not ready for the market yet. It's just one of those, it's an idea, and it probably won't come to fruition to the general public for maybe, I don't know, another 2 years. Because in the video that they show you, he pulls out of his pocket, well, they dim the lights, and this is the other thing. They don't actually want you to see what they've got. So they dim the lights, and he pulls out of his pocket, a 2-inch thick or 1.5-inch thick brick, and it's got a screen on the front, and it's still not bezel-less. It's still got chunky borders. It's just got a screen on the front, and then he opens it up, and then ta-da! There's a giant screen, and it just seems one of those moments where you think, well, it's all right, yeah. But is it really needed? Is it worth it? No. I mean, it means because they have to start changing the software for all of the apps to fit the screens, and they've said Samsung and Google are working together to create software that will do that. And I'm just like, yeah, and what about everybody else? It's just a bit meh, if I'm honest. Just meh. It's kind of anti-news, and you should watch the on like other channels and other videos that show you the unveiling of the phone, and it was hilarious because they kept pausing for applause that was never coming, and you just get one guy just going, and I've got the phone right here. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Go Dave! Yay! And then you pull out the phone, and then you could hear everybody else pity applause going, oh, yeah, we're doing it, yeah. And it just made me laugh. Again, if you've got a product and it's that good, show it off. Don't dim the lights. I mean, they were on about they're doing, obviously they've got the folding screen, they're on about doing a rolling screen and even a stretchy screen. I don't see the application of these. The actual rolling screen, maybe, like if you could have it in a phone but you needed a bigger screen, and like those pens you get where you can pull out a calendar at the side, something like that, maybe, I don't know. Oh yes, a pen that is a phone. Nailed it. I need to get in touch with Apple because that'd be like $1,000 pen. But yeah, I just don't think it's something that people should be getting overexcited with. I mean, we're only just getting over Notchgate. I mean, what's that about? Yeah, everybody's doing a notch, and most of them are ugly, but they're starting to get better. The OnePlus 6T, and I think it's the Mate 20X or whatever, Huawei's phone, they're doing teardrop notches. They are the prettiest notches on phones. But even Samsung have revealed recently that they are doing like the UPS, which is the under panel sensors. So their phones from next year could be completely bezel-less and have everything under the screen, cameras, sensors, fingerprint scanners, everything under the phone. I mean, at the moment, the closest you're going to get to a bezel-less phone with all the features is ones like the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. But again, you look at that phone and it slides, which means it's not going to be waterproof. It's not going to have a case that's going to protect it very well. So there's everything at the moment just seems like a compromise, and that is okay, but just let's concentrate on making existing phones better and more affordable, rather than jump into something, let's say like a giant tablet phone, which nobody needs. Yeah. And if you disagree with me, let me know. There's people that will, and there are people that agree with me, but let me know below what you think. Don't forget, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. And you comment on there also, and don't forget, do it now if you haven't already done it. Like and subscribe. See you soon.